Hi, hello, namaste. This is Ajay Mahi. Welcome to our channel India Glades. And today we have wonderful guests anamata. Hashtag Bro Movie Team. Yes, Samantha Pato, Avika Gaur and Alani director Karthik. ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు మాట్లాడదాం. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Awesome.
భలే ఉన్నారు ఇద్దరు. So first, how's your feeling? So ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రీమ్ అవుతుంది సోనీ లివ్ లో. What's your feeling currently?
Joy.
Joy.
అబ్సల్యూట్ జాయ్ అంటే
ఏం మీరు అన్ని హ్యాష్ ట్యాగ్స్ చెప్తారా? హ్యాష్ జాయ్
హ్యాష్ జాయ్ అంటే ఎందుకు అంటున్నా అంటే మనం థియేట్రికల్లో వచ్చుంటే ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ సో ఆడియన్స్ వుడ్ టెక్స్ట్ అస్ మెసేజెస్ ఆన్ సోషల్ మీడియాస్ లెట్ అస్ నో వాట్ దే ఫెల్ట్ కాల్ అస్ అండ్ టెల్ అస్ వాట్ దే ఫెల్ట్ ఐ థింక్ ఐమ్ రియలీ లైకింగ్ దిస్ రెస్పాన్స్.
ఓకే.
This is what I anticipated for this movie. It may not theatrical elli unte it would have been different in terms of the kind of reach it might have got. వేరే ఉంటుండేమో బట్ ఓటీటీలో నుంచి దీని అడ్వాంటేజెస్ వేరున్నాయి బికాస్ వీఆర్ క్రాసింగ్ ఆర్ స్టేట్స్. తెలుగు దాటి తమిళ్లోకి మలయాళంలోకి కన్నడలోకి కూడా వెళ్ళింది, హిందీలోకి కూడా వెళ్ళింది. హిందీలో డబ్ లేదా యాక్చువల్గా సోనీ లివ్లో, బట్ so many of them watched from Bombay or Hindi language and all. Many of them watched the film because of the subtitles.
Yeah.
So I think joy is something that we all are going through. Absolute joy.
Super. Hi Chisa, how are you?
Chisa. Yeah, that was my pet name. Yeah, thanks. I'm doing good.
So, real life lo, do you have any brothers and sisters?
No. I have cousins and I have like 13 cousin brothers. So,
13?
Yeah. Lot of cousin brothers, but no siblings. So
Okay. So, same ఇలాంటి రిలేషన్షిప్ ఉన్నారా వాళ్ళతో ఏమైనా? No.
Never. I think I mentioned it somewhere in some interview that what I felt with Naveen Chandra, I have never felt that before ever.
I think మీరు రెమ్యూనరేషన్ ఇచ్చారో లేదో తెలియదు కానీ ఒక మంచి బ్రదర్ని ఇచ్చినట్టున్నారు అయితే.
Yeah. Correct. Very true. Remuneration నాకు తెలియదు.
I think you are an electrician.
Cheesy line coming next.
Why my man?
Brace yourself.
Because you are lightening up my day.
Oh my god.
Blush.
I want the blush moment.
This wasn't blush worthy.
Other style of this is
This
a different
wasn't
style
blush
of
worthy. I'm sorry. Oh god.
Okay.
So bad. Keep me trying and both it's fail. It's flop.
ఏ పోయిందా జమానా పోయింది.
యాక్చువల్లీ మీరు చెప్పకుండా ఉంటే ఖచ్చితంగా
అస్సలు నేను చెప్పినా కాబట్టి కొంచెం స్మూత్ రియాక్షన్ వచ్చింది. నేను చెప్పకుండా ఉంటే వాట్ అంటుండే వితౌట్ యూజింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రిషియన్.
లైటింగ్ అప్ మై డే.
He's doing a retake now.
Yeah, do a retake.
Retake, you're lightening up my day.
Yeah. Get a genuine reaction. Right away. Right on the face. Up front.
Okay. It's okay. Sometimes మనం ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంటాం, ఫెయిల్ అవడం కూడా కరెక్ట్. Never ever.
I understand you, bro. I've been there.
Thank you, bro. And by the way, thank you, brother. It's Nag Chaitanya sir movie.
That is thank you.
That is just thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
No, it is not rumor.
No, it is not
It's
true.
there.
No, we have announced it
Yeah.
officially. So yeah, I am a part of that movie and yeah, it's nice.
Nice. ఎలా వచ్చింది మూవీ?
I mean, the shooting experience was very difficult because I was very nervous, to be very honest. PC Sriram, DOP, Vikram K. Kumar, director. So the whole, it was a different vibe. And like, this was the first time maybe that I was working with people that were more experienced than I was. So it was a little...
No, I don't think so.
Kind of. So it was different. It was different, but I definitely enjoyed it, and we had an amazing time. Whatever days I worked on it, I absolutely loved it.
ఓకే. సమ్హౌ మనం కొంచెం ఇంటర్వ్యూని హాట్ చేద్దాం.
ఆల్రెడీ వేడిగా ఉంది, ఇంకా చేద్దాం.
సో ఇప్పుడు అవికాకి క్వశ్చన్. సో కీపింగ్ అప్ పోస్టింగ్ అలా చేస్తున్నారు లైక్ యువర్ బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్ మిలన్ చంద్వాని. ఇస్ ఇట్ రైట్? ఇస్ ఇట్ false or true, fake, what? A rumor or else it's real?
How is it even a rumor?
It is absolutely real. It is
Real.
out there.
Okay.
I mean, haven't you heard me talk about it? And like, my social media is my social media.
Yeah.
And I put it like...
Somebody must have hacked your account
Oh,
and put
Oh,
out.
it's okay. It's
Who is
okay.
only doing this? Milind has hacked my... I'm telling you the real story now. Milind has hacked my account and he wants to prove it to the world that we are dating. And he posts all of this. And yeah, I
Okay,
love
let me
story.
know. I want to know how it started and how is going on. Avika Gaur love story or else it's
नहीं,
a
वो
relationship.
इतना कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है, बहुत बोरिंग है. मतलब
Boring.
we met
No,
with some
no,
common
no.
friends
See,
and
you are
just-
crush list for not only me. Some people ki you are in crush list, right?
Oh, too bad.
Too bad. Too bad.
I mean, I think it was definitely from my side. I really fell for him the minute I saw him. And I understood later the kind of human he is. He's very kind, very
Giving.
giving. Yeah, very giving.
ఇదే నాకు
and
కొంచెం తెలుగులో చెప్పరా
I
మా వాళ్ళు
don't-
ఇంకా
I don't speak Telugu.
ఓకే
I'm
ఓకే
so
కంటిన్యూ
sorry.
నేను చెప్తాను తెలుగులో ఓకే
See, that is why we would never date. He would interrupt me like that.
సారీ ప్లీజ్ కంటిన్యూ
मतलब हर दो ही बात पे
Break.
interrupt.
Flow break.
పాపం నీ
I
లవ్
forgot what I was saying.
ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ సారీ ప్లీజ్ కంటిన్యూ
So yeah, I was, you know, being friends, we realized that this is more than just a friendship. And yeah, since then I have been very open about it on even social media. The reason I'm open about it on social media is because people know me inside out since I was 8 years old. There is literally nothing to hide. I was fat at one point. I had extreme pimples. People have seen that. People have seen this side of me. So my life has always been very open, and I'm always on screen. Like there are every week there is an interview happening, right? So how much will I hide? So this was one part of my life that I thought people will be happy to know about. People will celebrate it the way I want to celebrate it, and the way I am proud of it, and I definitely want to show this off. So that is also one reason.
సో తెలుగులో ఏం చెప్పిందంటే తనే ఫస్ట్ అప్రోచ్ అవ్వడం ఐ మీన్ తన సైడ్ నుంచి లవ్ వెళ్ళిందంట మేమర్స్ వేసుకోండి వై ఫిల్మ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ చూస్ చేసుకున్నారు నెక్స్ట్
I love this question. Okay. So I think my love for cinema is much more than just one sector of it, which is acting. The reason I started to write was because I thought I can, you know, challenge my brain a little. And at 14, I really thought that, you know, I'm much smarter than any other 14-year-old. I can maybe write a script, and I did. The surprising part was that that movie won Berlin Film Festival. We went to Cannes twice.
Result put.
It was also nominated for original screenplay, which I wrote, and I was the youngest ever to be nominated and first ever Indian to be nominated there.
Amazing.
So when stuff like this started happening, and definitely most of this credit goes to my friend Manish Rai Singhan, because he was right there supporting me, and I never thought I could, but he believed in me. You know, when you have that kind of support, you just realize that you have so much to offer, and especially to something that you love. I have been one of those lucky people who get a chance to do what they love every day of their life, and I acknowledge it, I respect it, and I do not take this for granted. For me, being a part of this, a movie, is a big deal every day. I really respect the kind of work a spot guy, a lightman does, and I learn each and every day. It is a pleasure that now I can, you know, I have those resources that can let me produce something. You know, I always wanted to make movies. What I mean is I always wanted to direct or edit, which is why I learned all of these things. But when it comes to production, I realized that it's not easy. And I still remember the first ever thought that came to my head about production was, there was this co-director who came up to me and he said, this is my script and I don't have a producer, and maybe you can. And it just was so shocking that a random person believed in me that I can produce it. And I went up to my father and I told him, and I asked him, do you think I can? He said, of course, why not? Do you want to? Do it. It just made me believe that I have reached a place where, one, I have the support, one, I have the resources, and I also think I want to do this. Just the fact that I love and enjoy cinema, it's just something that I can't say no to. And I definitely took breaks in between, thinking maybe I don't want to act, maybe I want to take a break. But I end up coming back here because this is really something that I enjoy and love doing. So at the end of the day, people get attracted to things that they've always wanted to do, and that is what it is. Production for me, I've worked with so many producers that there were production houses where I went on the set and I was like, no, this is not how a production should be. You know, this is not how a producer should be. And it was just a feeling that I had. But when I, go on my set and when a random makeup guy comes up to me and says that I've been working in this industry from 30 years, but this is the best food I've eaten, it melts my heart. It makes me feel so proud that I'm not just doing well for myself, but I'm making everybody proud of me, and it is special.
I can understand her intensity, like how passionate about production and all. I'll ask this question for our Telugu BB people. Recently, మీరు షన్ను అంటే లైక్ అన్నారు.
Yeah.
వై ఎప్పటి నుంచి తన్ని ఫాలో అవ్వడం చేశారు?
I think we met at some event by Starma. We met there at a rehearsal, and I was dancing there, and right after me, Deepthi and he had performance, so they were dancing, and I was so amazed by looking at their chemistry and the way both of them were dancing and the ease that they have with each other, the way they were joking around, and it was middle of the night. People are usually tired, but they were having fun. So when I saw that, I actually, felt that they are really nice humans, and both of them are like, friends now and all of that. But when I got to know that he's going to, go in the Bigg Boss house, it's definitely a difficult place to be in. And I really wish him luck, and I really definitely support him the most.
వెరీ నైస్. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే, వై అవిక టుక్ డెసిషన్ టు like body weight loss, and you have any regret or what? No,
definitely I have regrets.
Why?
I did not take care of myself. My skin was bad, my hair used to fall, everything happened because I did not take care of myself. Weight was one of those things. And losing weight, the intention was not to be skinny. Intention was not to lose weight for the movies. The intention was to just be healthy, just like myself a little extra, love myself a little better, so that when I wake up I don't hate myself. And there was definitely a point in my life where I did not like seeing myself in the mirror. I did not enjoy the whole process of being an actress because I'm not happy with myself. Why are people even liking me? That was the thought. And when such strong thoughts come in your head, if you are a smart, sane person, all you can think of is what is the solution. And for me, the solution was taking care of myself, which included eating healthy, working out every day, dancing. The thing that I loved, I had stopped doing it. So I got back to dancing. I started doing MMA. I started to read more. I started to do things that I started to love, and stuff was emotional and mental transformation, most of it. Physical happened, and I'm happy that it did.
Super dance, yes sir.
super dance, right?
Very, very good dancer.
Thank you. I'm so sweet.
అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు అప్రిషియేట్ యూ. రీసెంట్లీ మీరు బర్త్డేకి ఫ్యాన్స్ని ఫండ్ రైజ్ చేసి ఫర్ ద కాజ్. ఇట్స్ అమేజింగ్.
Thank you. I really believe that. So there are a lot of fans who love sending gifts. They'll send flowers and till the age.
Tell me
of,
one best thing.
I mean, I remember people sending me food coupons of McDonald's, and just the fact that they knew that I love it, I was amazed that they did that. So people do this, but after reaching a certain age, you get that sensibility that this is waste of money. Whatever you want, you anyways have. Flowers every day, I mean, it's just 3 days, it would look beautiful and that's it. What's the point?
Yeah.
So for me, I started to realize that, and thankfully I had Milan by my side to give me a right direction to that, give you a right direction to that thought. And because his NGO Camp Diaries works with underprivileged children and does such good work, I saw the work. Because I've always wanted to do something for people who are in need. The only problem most of us face is that we don't know where to put in the money or where to put in the resources because you can't trust. And that issue has been with me and my family since forever. We don't know what will happen with that money. And that's normal, that's human. But when we knew that this NGO actually does actual work, I could trust it. And for my birthday, I just requested my fans to not, give me gifts, but actually donate. And we raised, and I also, so just to make it more fun, I said, whatever you donate, I'll double it up.
Crazy.
And we raised around 7-8 lakhs. And
7-8 lakhs, it's a huge amount.
Yeah, and
Avika fans ఒక 7-8 lakhs తను చేసే కాజ్ కోసం రైస్
and just because it was my birthday.
yes
People
తన
did
బర్త్డే
that just
గురించి
by thinking that it's her birthday, we want to make her feel special. And I have to acknowledge that it wasn't just fans, but also people that I've worked with. Like there was one particular makeup brand that I was a brand ambassador for. When they got to know I'm doing this, without thinking twice, they were like, we are a part of this, we want to do this.
Okay.
And they didn't announce it anywhere. They didn't make any announcements. It was
I have another question for
Yes,
this one.
yes, tell me.
Sorry to interrupt
No,
you.
it's all right.
Is it true you are refused one makeup or else a fairness cream
Fairness,
ad? Why? What is the reason behind it?
I mean, they have spoiled so many girls. Their
This is the
mental
second person,
space.
which one it is Sai Pallavi garu and another one is Avika Gaur. This thing.
No, I think it's high time. It's high time you get rid of the word fairness.
I think it's not fair for. So I have a lot of friends who have for years been concerned about the way they look just because of those ads. How can I be a part of it? How can I make peace with the fact that I am going to spoil a 13-year-old's mindset? I can't be okay with it. Which is also one of the reasons that you don't see me in too many ads or you don't see me in too many movies, because I do have these not values but these thoughts that I think I should be careful of, because people do look up to me and I can't take that for granted, and I do believe in it.
The only fairness we need in life is not regarding skin. It is regarding our heart. It is regarding our personality. We need to be fair.
That's why you are the director.
Yeah, అదొకటే ఫేర్నెస్ మనకు పనికొచ్చే ఫేర్నెస్ మిగతా అదంతా వేస్ట్.
సో ఇది గాయస్ మన అవికా గౌర్ అండ్ అలానే కార్తిక్ బ్రో #bro ఇంటర్వ్యూ అనమాట. ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ ఇట్, సోనీ లివ్ లో వస్తుంది అనమాట. యా, దిస్ ఇస్ ఆజమహి సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్.
Hi, this is Vaishali Raj. Please do subscribe to IG Telugu.
Hi, this is Priya Warrior. Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Hi, this is Ravindra Vijay. Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Hi everyone, this is Srimuki. Please do subscribe to IG Telugu.
Hi, this is Sarayu. Please subscribe to IG Telugu.